Good morning, Mary. Are you ready for the stand-up?
Yes, let's start. I finished the login page yesterday.
Great! I worked on the database. It's almost ready.
Almost. What is the problem?
There's a small bug, but I can fix it today.
Okay, and what about the API? Is it connected?
Not yet. I need one more day.
The client wants the demo on Friday.
I know. I can work faster today.
Good. So your tasks for today are fix the bug and connect the API.
Yes, 2 tasks. Simple.
Perfect. My tasks are test the login page and write the report.
Wait, did you check the error on the test server?
What error?
There's a red message on the dashboard. I saw it this morning.
Oh no. Let me check. Yes, I see it. The server is not responding.
Should we call the tech team?
Yes, but first let me restart the server.
Okay, I will wait.
Done. Now it is working.
Great. So the stand-up is finished?
Yes, finally.
John, it's been 40 minutes.
What? No.
Yes, we started at 9. It is 9:40 now.
Oh my, the manager is waiting for us.
He sent 3 messages already.
Why didn't you say something earlier?
I tried, but you kept asking questions.
Okay, let's go. Fast.
Next time, let's use a timer.
Good idea. 10 minutes maximum.
Agreed. Let's go.
Yes, and John?
What?
Good stand-up today.
Mary?
Sorry, let's go.